Welcome to Isuzu Service How-To, Transmission Reprogramming. Be sure to follow all applicable safety rules and precautions.
The purpose of this video is to demonstrate a transmission initial relearn procedure. Turn off all electrical loads where possible, AC, headlights, etc. Set the parking brake and block the wheels. Start the engine and let idle. Move the gear shift through each gear position to allow proper fluid flow through the valve body. Place the gear shift back to park. Make sure that the ATF level is within specification. Refer to the ATF level inspection procedure in this section. Verify transmission fluid temperature, TFT. Valve body indicates fluid temperature between 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, and 194 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Celsius. Using the scan tool, ensure transmission ISS input shaft speed is near engine speed. Verify brake switch input in TCM data. Procedure. If the vehicle moves during any part of the procedure, other than for shift shock, the entire procedure will need to be repeated. Remove the scan tool from the data link connector. Confirm the engine is at idle and turn on the overdrive. Make sure the switch is in. The next 3 steps must be done in 20 seconds. Connect a jumper wire between pins 4 and 12 at the data link connector, DLC. This will activate the transmission control module diagnostic switch and may cause the check transmission lamp to flash. The lamp will flash if the TCM was not replaced and will remain on solid if the TCM is a new service TCM or a new calibration was installed to the original TCM. Important: the brake pedal must remain depressed until the initial learning procedure is completed. Depress the brake pedal with your left foot and continue to hold through the remainder of this procedure. Move the gear shift from drive to the 2 range, then back to drive 3 times. The check transmission lamp and ATF over temperature lamp should begin flashing quickly, 0.2 seconds on and 0.2 seconds off. Turn off the overdrive, switches out. The ATF over temperature lamp should begin flashing slowly, 0.5 seconds on and 0.5 seconds off. When the ATF over temperature lamp begins to flash quickly, 0.2 seconds on and 0.2 seconds off, using your right foot, accelerate and hold the engine speed between 1000 and 1500 RPM using the accelerator pedal. Turn on the overdrive. Make sure the switch is in. The ATF over temperature lamp should begin flashing slowly, 0.5 seconds on and 0.5 seconds off. When the ATF over temperature lamp turns off, release the accelerator pedal. Move the gear shift to the reverse range. Turn off the overdrive, switches out. The ATF over temperature lamp should begin flashing slowly. When the ATF over temperature lamp begins to flash quickly, using your right foot, accelerate and hold the engine speed between 1000 and 1500 RPM using the accelerator pedal. Turn on the overdrive, make sure the switch is in. The ATF over temperature lamp should begin flashing slowly. When the ATF over temperature lamp begins to flash 1 second on and 2 seconds off, place the gear shift in park and release the foot brake. Disconnect the jumper wire from the data link connector. Turn off the ignition for 1 minute. Start the engine and verify no transmission lights are illuminated and no DTCs are present. Test drive vehicle to confirm condition has been addressed. The transmission initial learn procedure is complete.